As dawn broke over a scarred stretch of the Eastern Front, a tense calm settled across the battlefield, broken only by the distant rumble of artillery. In this gray morning light, Ukraine's Special Operations Forces began a carefully coordinated assault that would soon unravel a fortified Russian trench line thought to be impenetrable. What followed was a dramatic clash of nerves, precision, and raw determination that ended with an unexpected outcome: Russian troops laying down their arms and surrendering. According to Ukrainian military sources, the operation had been planned for weeks, shaped by drone reconnaissance, intercepted communications, and nights of silent rehearsal. The trenches, carved deep into muddy earth and reinforced with timber and concrete, were positioned to dominate key supply routes. Russian forces had occupied them for months, using the maze-like defenses to repel repeated attacks until now.
Сколько вас? Сюда иди. Сюда иди, блядь. Ползи. 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 Лёг. Лёг. На живот. На живот.
In the moments before the assault, Ukrainian operators moved through low ground and shattered tree lines, their figures barely visible in the mist. Every step was measured, every signal whispered through encrypted radios. The silence was deliberate, meant to conceal the sudden strike that would soon explode across the trench network. For the soldiers involved, it was a familiar but deadly dance with uncertainty. The first breach came swiftly. Explosive charges detonated at key points along the trench line, sending shockwaves through the fortifications and throwing defenders into confusion. Almost immediately, Ukrainian assault teams surged forward, using smoke and precision fire to isolate pockets of resistance. The speed of the advance left little time for the defenders to regroup or call for reinforcements.
Смотри, уже нету ваших многих живых. Сейчас очень хорошо подумай, есть кто-то там? Да или нет? 200. Кто 200?
Russian soldiers inside the trenches reportedly struggled to understand the scale of the attack. Communications were disrupted, visibility was poor, and the attackers seemed to appear from multiple directions at once. Ukrainian forces exploited this chaos, pushing deeper into the trench system and cutting off escape routes with relentless efficiency. Eyewitness accounts from the Ukrainian side describe intense close-quarters combat where seconds felt like minutes and every corner concealed danger. The trenches, once a symbol of strength, became a trap as defenders found themselves surrounded. Faced with overwhelming pressure and clear commands shouted in multiple languages, some Russian troops began to hesitate. The turning point came when Ukrainian operators reached the command section of the trench network. With key positions neutralized and no clear line of retreat, resistance rapidly collapsed. Ukrainian forces issued repeated calls for surrender, emphasizing that those who laid down their weapons would be treated in accordance with international law.
Работает настоящий тигр. Сначала дрон, а потом пехота. Кину. Есть.
One by one, Russian soldiers emerged from dugouts and firing positions, laying down their arms and surrendering. The images captured by Ukrainian drones and helmet cameras show exhausted faces streaked with mud, eyes reflecting shock and disbelief. For many, the decision to surrender was driven by the realization that further resistance would only lead to unnecessary loss of life. Ukrainian troops moved quickly to secure prisoners, checking for hidden weapons and providing basic medical assistance to the wounded. Despite the intensity of the fighting moments earlier, the scene shifted to one of controlled order. Guards escorted the captives away from the trenches as engineers began inspecting the captured positions for explosives and booby traps.
Давай, подходь. Давай, ко мне.
Military analysts note that the operation highlights a growing pattern in Ukraine's approach: small, highly trained units executing precise assaults that target morale as much as physical defenses. By striking decisively and offering clear terms of surrender, Ukrainian forces aim to break the will of entrenched units without prolonged battles. The capture of the trench network is expected to have immediate tactical consequences. Control of the area opens new lines of movement and disrupts Russian supply routes in the sector. Ukrainian commanders believe this success will force Russian units nearby to reconsider their positions, potentially leading to further withdrawals. On the Russian side, the incident underscores mounting challenges, including strained logistics, fatigue among frontline troops, and the psychological toll of sustained pressure. The surrender of an entire trench position sends a powerful message across the front, one that cannot be easily erased by official statements. For Ukraine's Special Operations Forces, the mission stands as a testament to training, coordination, and discipline under fire. Soldiers involved in the assault reportedly described a mix of relief and pride once the trenches were secured, knowing that the operation had minimized casualties while achieving its objectives. While the broader conflict continues to rage with no clear end in sight, moments like this resonate far beyond the trenches themselves. The storming of the Russian defenses and the forced surrender of their occupants serve as a stark reminder that in modern warfare, resolve, adaptability, and the human will to survive can shift the balance in the most unexpected ways.